Tendon injuries are frequently caused by sports activities or accidents. Their healing is slow, and post-operative adhesions are common, which impair function and quality of life. The Industrial Technology Research Institute has developed an innovative integrated technology, a dual-layer tissue sheet that combines cell therapy with anti-adhesion biomaterials. The tissue sheet supports the injured tendon and prevents it from sticking to surrounding tissues. By carrying therapeutic cells, the tissue sheet helps accelerate healing and improves the success rate of repair. The tissue sheet is produced in a sterile environment and is simple to handle. It can be quickly assembled and gelled directly in the operating room with precise control of cell dosage. During surgery, the doctor places the tissue sheet over the injured site, making the procedure fast and efficient. After surgery, patients can regain mobility sooner and restore their health and quality of life. This tissue sheet biomedical integration system is expected to become one of the most advanced clinical solutions for tendon repair in the future.